Hello guys. Excuse the roaring of the dryer. If you've been around very long, you know that my craft room and dryer is combination room. So I have my dryer going. You know what? I think I'm gonna open the door and turn it off while I'm on here. Hold on just a minute. Now, I will turn it back on when I get through with the video. What I want to do is harvest this magazine. This is actually like a sales catalog, and so I want to look through it, and I am going to tear out the pages that I want the items that's on those pages. And you might think, well, how in the world are you going to use a magazine, a catalog? Well, I do have some ideas of what I'm going to do. And so what I'm keeping this page for is I want the hummingbird and the socks. On this page, I want the dogs. And then this bear, if I can work it out. These here, I want these, and I will show you why in a little while. So I have an idea for those. That's pretty. These would work with what I have an idea for that. Okay. Let's see what else I might want. I have already been looking through it a little bit, and this is why I actually decided to go ahead and do the video, because I was looking through it and saw so many things I wanted, like all of these here. I have a page that I'm doing with little small pictures like that. Excuse me. I am so sorry. I don't mean to be rude, guys. It just seems to happen every time I get on here that I start yawning. Now that right there is so cute. So cute. It is a possibility I will use that, so I'm going to tear that out. They had a lot of good things in this magazine. I was looking through it and I kept saying, oh, I can use that. Oh, I can use that. Oh, I can use that. And I got halfway through it and I said, hold it right there. Let's do a video and show everybody what you're keeping. I like these. I like this. Be surprised how much you can use out of a sales catalog. I can use that right there. And if I don't use that, I could use that. So either way, I have to decide which one I want to use. I like this here. It's called a weather house. I may tear that out and put that in my Christmas. I have a winter Christmas glue book that I put winter and Christmas things in, so I could use that. Could use this Christmas tree. And these glasses. It's a reindeer, Christmas tree, and wreath. And, let's see. Nah. I wouldn't use none of that. I like this butterfly, and I like these, even though that's like spoon rest. That's really cute. Do I really want that enough to use? I don't think I'm going to use it. I don't think I'll use it. Let's see. I love this tree here. So I want to keep that, and I may use them. Is that flamingos? No, that's, what do you call them? Storks? Is that a stork? I don't know what that is. I like the Tin Woodman and the lighthouse. And I'll have to decide which sides I want the most. I like the cow. I like the wolf. But I really like that. So I may go with the Tin Woodman and the cow. I don't know. I'll just have to see. Let's see. I wish they wouldn't put the sell tag things on the picture itself. Of course, you know, I guess they do that for safety purposes. I don't know, but like this video sign here, and it's also on the cow over here. But see, they don't do it with all pictures. But I like this tree trunk. I like the, what is he called? Is he a gnome? Or yeah, he's a gnome. I like all these. I can use them. Oh my goodness. Those are all cute. Every one of those. I'm going to tear that out. I may not use them, but then again I may. I don't want to throw the catalog away and not keep it in case I decide I want it. All of these little things I want. These here, I love that one. I didn't get this far before I stopped and started the video. That is so pretty. I love that. Oh my word. I actually want to buy, that's puzzles. I actually want to buy some of that. I love that. I may have to put in an order before I use it. I love all these pictures. I can use them. This is awesome. This catalog. Oh, look how pretty. I have to decide which side I wanted the most. Oh, I love these. That would go good in my Christmas one. This would go good in my winter one. Christmas winter. These here, all of these would be good for the Christmas winter glue book. But usually, you know, you might find a few things in an actual catalog that you could use. Oh, man, this is so hard. So hard. Oh, my goodness. I'll have to decide which side I want the most. I love that. I love this winter scene. Oh, and it would be cutting those out. Oh, that's going to be hard. But anyway, what I was saying, you know, a lot of times you can find like 2 or 3 things in a catalog that you can use. And, but this one, I mean, it has a lot in it I can use. I'm excited. It's just making it hard having these pictures on the front and the back. I've got to decide which ones I want the most. Makes it hard, makes it hard. I can use all of those because there's nothing on that side I need or want. Okay, I don't necessarily, I could use that, but it's not something that just appeals to me as much as this, so I'll use this side. All right, now, that is my magazine. The rest is just going to be thrown away because there's nothing else in it I want. So I am not going to cut these out on camera. I'm actually debating on whether just to go ahead and put this video up and maybe do another video showing my pages that I've done with some of these items, some of these images. But then again, I may go ahead and do a page and come back on this same video and put the clip up showing you at least one page that I get done using these images. And then I can make another one later showing the rest. I just love that. That is so cute. And all of these are going to be so good for that little page, the page I'm doing with the little images on it. It's going to be so good. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. I probably will come back on this video and show you one page. I may do a small page in my animal glue book and use some of these animal images, and so I can come back and show you a finished page and then work on, you know, some more later and do other videos later. So that's probably what I will do. So for you, it's only going to be a second before you see me again. But I will be back when I get that complete. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I decided I was going to, if I can get here, my dog Macy's in the way. I'm going to do a page in my animal glue book, and I'll do a flip through of this one day. Okay, I had started this one, so I'm going to try to finish this page, and then if it goes over onto this page, that will be fine too, and we'll just work with what I cut out. This here are the images that I cut out: the pig, the cow, these little doggies. I hope you're seeing this. Let's see. Let me see if I can. Just a little bit more where you can be closer to seeing what I'm doing. Okay, we'll leave it at that. The frog, the little rabbits in the flower garden, the little kitty cats looking out the window, the bear. This is that hummingbird. This here is an owl, and then this is like barnyard critters. And then I pulled out some die cuts, animal die cuts that I had. If I need some small thing, also I pulled out these little small butterflies in case I need some fill-ins, you know, have some little small places that I need to fill in, but we won't use those unless we need them, because I was just trying to use these catalog pieces. So I'm going to pull out my book that I do my gluing on right here. I hope y'all can see. Okay, now let's see how we're gonna do this. What are we gonna put where? I need something big. Okay. Don't quite fill it in. So I'm thinking what I might do is grab my ink. I'm going to use my Tim Holtz Distress Ink Vintage Photo. I'm putting the little pad on here. And I am just going to go around this where just to take that stark white out of it. Because it's not filling up the whole page, but yet the section that's left bare is not big enough to put anything on it. So we're going to do that right there. And then we will put this right here like this. Let's put a little more right here. Just to kind of tone that down a little bit. It is. I hadn't taken it out of the dryer.
Okay. Okay.
I got started doing a video and forgot.
Okay.
Then let's see, what can we put right here? Okay, that's fine.
Get them slams in my patch right. You put back on me.
Let's put the frog right there, like that. Up! I'm using my ink pad trying to glue it. Guys, I'm crazy. You have to overlook me. Trying to get it right up under his ear right there, like that, and then I'll have to trim a little off the edge. Okay, so we have that there. Then this one can go right here. Now I dropped my glue stick. Fumble fingers and crazy today, guys. I've got a headache. I don't mean to complain, just it's a fibro day. I started to keep this one because it's kind of a Christmas scene here, or winter scene, if not Christmas, and put it in my winter book, but then I decided since it's animals, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my animal book. Okay, so let's see here now. We have this here. Let's see. What about the owl? Owl. How do you say that? Owl. I think I want to put the owl right there. But let's see what I could get if I have a filler. Maybe, because I don't have any other small pictures that would go there. Maybe I could put this butterfly kind of in here like this as a filler. But before I do that, I want to ink it up. So it will be a darker color. Oops. There we go. Now, I think I will like that. Okay, what did I say? Oh, the butterfly. The butterfly, Becca. You want the butterfly. Okay, I'm going to do it just like that right there. And we will put it like this. Okay. Now the owl. I have a brother-in-law. His name is Albert. Actually, you may know my sister, most of you, TheBeccajb. It's her husband. But they call him Owl. And so, because of calling him Owl, sometimes whenever I'm talking about an owl, I will call it an owl. And there has been times when I was trying to say his name right, I would call him Owl instead of Owl. Oh, I'm so crazy. All right. Now, I need a little filler right here, and I need to glue his... Oh, I need to glue the corner of that down, and the bear's ear I need to glue back down. Okay, so maybe... Let's see. I could put this little butterfly. Nope, because that's going to be right in that fold. So that ain't going to work. This is a thin bird. I think that would work okay right there as a filler. It's a little bit thinner paper than the other things, other sheets, die cuts, whatever you want to call it, that I have. So I'm thinking that will work pretty well like that. Okay, I'm going to get my bone folder and put it right there and fold that over. Let's see if we can get it to stick. Oh, I could have put that hummingbird there. He's a little bit thinner, or a lot thinner. And I think he would have worked. Of course, he's a little bit bigger. Might would have covered up more than I wanted it to. Alright, let's see. Let's do this. When it's all said and done, I'm probably going to have to get a, like a rubber band to close my book, to keep my book closed. He may have to stick up like that, I don't know. Alright, but anyway, we're going to grab these scissors right here and trim this edge off. Okay, do I have two papers, or that's just not glued down? That's just not glued down. Okay, so let's trim that off, and then we will glue that down. I find that sometimes this glue does not hold for some reason. I don't know why, but sometimes it just doesn't hold, and I have to keep applying and keep applying. And I don't like that. Okay, let's trim this off here. I have a hard time doing this, guys, with my fingers, and I can't see good anyway. It's just hard. Okay, got that trimmed. Now, all right. So we got that page finished. I'm going to put the date because that means I actually completed it on this date. I didn't do the whole thing on this date, but I did complete it. So this is the 11th, the 1st of 21. Okay. I like to keep up with what date that I actually complete the page. Because that's just like we're going to go over here and work here. And it's a possibility we won't have enough to finish this spread. But then again, we may. Just have to see what we come up with. I want this one right here. I do know that. But I also know that I don't want their ears and all glued down yet because I want to poke things underneath their ears. So what I'm going to do is just go right along the edge here and not go all the way up. And then I will add glue underneath when I get the other stuff that I want. But I do want this to go right here. Okay, let's get the... Actually, let's use this. It might be easier to get it in the crack. Look at there. See, that just does not... It's like it just disappears before I can get it laid down. It's like the glue. It disappears, all right. The purple disappears and so does the sticky. I don't find it works well. And I put a good bit. And I don't wait. I put it right on the page. But, anyway. How about the bear going right there? Like that. Then the cow can go right here. Like this. But that's going to have to come up enough that that cow can go up under there. I didn't think I glued that part down, but I guess that second go round when I was gluing it straight on there after I got it put on there that it glued it down. Okay, anyway, we're going to go with this. Let's grab the glue. And I'm putting it on here liberally. And I'm trying to get it everywhere. I'm mashing. As a matter of fact, I mash until I tear my paper. Okay. Now to stick to your hand, no problem. But when it comes to sticking to the paper, it don't want to do it. I don't know why. Alright, let's see if I can get this. Well, I'm just going to do it. I tore that piece off. Okay. There we go. It's going to go up under there like that. Alright, let's get this one glued. I didn't know it was going to take this long, guys. I thought I was just going to be on here and off. But it didn't work that way, so I hope you're sticking with me. Put this right here like this. under there, right at the edge. There we go. Let's get this right here in the crack. Okay, now we need some glue right here on this edges of this, the little doggies. There we go. And that looks like my little Macy. That looks like Mama's little Macy. Yes, it does. Looks like Mama's little Macy. Yes, it does. Okay, guys. Wipe that glue off there. Alright. Now I gotta come up here to this corner. Glue that down. Ooh. Got a lot on that. So, what I'm gonna do is try to spread it out. And I tore the page doing it. Sure, don't you know? Don't you know that I'm gonna do something like that? Okay, I got glue everywhere. Okay, let's see. I don't have any long pieces. That won't cover enough. How about... That won't cover enough. That is so cute. But I want something under it. I don't want it showing that much of the paper underneath. And that's too long. It won't go there either, but we can put it right here. Alright, let's put this one right there. All over my card. Right, we will put this one right here. But first, let's do this. And right here. Come back here. Come back here. It ran off. Yes, it did. I scared Macy. What, baby? Huh? The wind was blowing Mama's paper. Yeah. The wind was blowing Mama's paper off. Yes, it was. There we go. Okay, again. All right, what else we have? Now, I'm not going to use any of these fillers on this page because I want some bigger pieces to fill in. So this is all we're going to do. I'm not even going to put this yet. I may put it later. It's according to what I put up here. But if I do put it up here, I'm going to put some kind of like scrapbook paper or something as a background to cover that. So right now we're just going to leave it as it is. And then the next go round, we will finish this page up. But anyway, we completed this page using the images I pulled out of that cut out of that catalog, all except for the bird and the butterfly. That was die cuts I added. And then these pictures here was already here. The bear, this dog, and this dog was already here. You know what? Got a little where it's showing that advertisement right here. I may add this little rabbit to cover that. I think that's what I'm going to do, guys, because I don't like that bit of that advertisement showing. So I'm just going to add the rabbit. You know what? I probably could have... Nope, that wouldn't have worked. So the rabbit works better. There we go. So now we have 3 die cuts that was added, and the rest was magazine pages. So that covers that up. There we go. And then we've added all of these pictures here, and we will come up with some more magazine pictures or either some scrapbook paper to cover up some of these places. And I might add this bird as we get to that. Alright, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I hope you like my page. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I will talk with you all later. Bye.